Okay, start recording. Hey, YouTube, so this is a serious video. I just had something really weird happen, and I'm like, it's kind of funny. At first, it was funny because I thought it was giving me other people's prompts, but it's also recording things I didn't record, so just like to give you the update. So, I'm on stream, or not on stream, okay, I'm on a Discord call with my friends, right? Playing freaking Reddit story videos. It hasn't been playing audio, so I restart my computer, and it reopens all my tabs. I click the restore button, I restore everything, it opens ChatGPT, all that stuff. ChatGPT is the main focus of this video. And I test it out. I test out if they can hear my audio. They can. Cool, I fixed it. And I go to like my ChatGPT tab to start like using it because I use it for scripts and so on. It's easier to like do it, and it helps out a lot. And I notice, what the hell, there's like a lot of random prompts that I didn't type at the bottom. And by I didn't type, I mean they're in another language that I don't speak. So that's kind of obvious on, hey, this wasn't you. um, so I'm very confused at that front. I'm like, is it giving me other people's prompts? Because I'm like looking at these seem very random for one. And I'm reading them, and I read through all of them, and a lot of them felt like me. And then other ones felt they were definitely not me. And then they started to feel like me again. And then there was this really long one that was very personal, definitely happened last night. And like I remember the like it's very obviously a conversation I had with me and my friend last night. It's very jumbled. I don't think it's like picking it up very well, but it's still recording my audio for sure, 100%. ChatGPT had it typed in for some reason on its own without me recording, typing it in any way. We're going to get there. I'm going to read all of what it typed in. I'm about to explain a little bit more, but it's actually really unsettling. Nothing. Hold on, my friends are saying something. I'm so confused. Hi, Ella. Hi. But yeah, so basically, it has at the top stuff I actually typed in, like my prompts and like questions about scripts and like, hey, what's the issues with this? And so it has like normal stuff at the top. And then at some point it has a cutoff on like a random message that's like not for me, and then it has a bunch more, and like ChatGPT keeps responding. And each response doesn't seem like it's related to any of the past other responses. Like they seem very one-off. It's very weird. It seems very like it's taking inputs of things, right? And I don't think it's supposed to be doing this. So I'm just gonna read it. I'm just gonna edit this video. It feels very unsettling. And once I get to the point where it's like obviously recording things I didn't type in, that's my main concern. But also I think it's showing me like other people's conversations and or inputs and such that I don't think people want possible to show up to somebody else. Like I'm seeing other people's stuff. Definitely, 100%. I don't think people want that. More importantly, I don't want my stuff being recorded right now. Because I definitely did not type in or record to ChatGPT personally the conversations I was having last night. Like, so I'm gonna start reading these. That one's from me. So just to show you where I left off, like my last prompt, because it didn't even give me anything. No, it needs to do what it does for the new system, but the old version worked with the QA button. I don't think that's me, actually. Wait, go back. Did I break it? Okay. I didn't break it. Actually, don't. Okay, I didn't break it. Okay, good. Still showing up. Okay, I shouldn't have clipped that. I need to read stuff first before I click things. Anyway. Yeah, that was, a random input that didn't give me an output that I wanted. And then at some point, I edited that input, actually, it looks like. So, I'll look at the second, like, whenever you edit it, it, like, does, like, a tab over and, like, a different route through the things. I'm on the first one. I'll check the second one to see if that bugged in any way, shape, or form. I think ChatGPT bugged right now. That's, like, the everything right in your face. I think it bugged out. It's showing me a bunch of stuff I shouldn't be seeing. And I think it's showing me stuff I don't want happening, too. So, I'm gonna start reading things. I'll I'll read a few of the first ChatGPT responses, but all of them are really the same. I'll read you, like, the interesting ones, I guess. First prompt, that's kind of weird. I made a lot since you were gone. ChatGPT says, nice. What did you end up adding or changing? Anything you want help reviewing or improving? New input. Fuck, I broke it in my Avalon update. Update, please work. I don't know what that is. Didn't type that. Maybe I said that. I don't know. Because, again, I didn't type that, though. That's my main concern. I didn't put that into it. ChatGPT says, aw dang, yeah, updates can be brutal sometimes. What exactly broke after the Avalon update? Is it the input handling, the spawning logic, or something else acting weird? What is Avalon? I don't know what that is. I've never said that word. I don't know what that is. Next input. Congratulations, ChatGPT. Haha, thanks. Wait, are we celebrating a fix or just trying to manifest good luck here? What's working now? See, if you can pick up like what ChatGPT is doing, it's giving like one-off responses and it's not really doing anything. That's what a lot of them are. So I'm just gonna say the inputs. Hold on, wait. What's going on? Even though I need to go to bed soon, but I got a little bored. So what the flip is Blue yapping about? ChatGPT has been recording his every move. ChatGPT has been recording Blue's convos, it seems. Yeah, but also it's giving me other people's like prompts and stuff too. They're having like I have like genuine like this is serious proof of them recording me and giving me like somebody else's info, which should not be possible. That's like privacy. That's against privacy. Anyway, let's continue. That was my friends, me reading what they're saying. All right. Congratulations. That's where I left off. So again, I'm gonna read prompts. I'll read ChatGPT if they say anything interesting. Here, go to versions, comma, go to Neo4j, install, comma, go here, comma, go here, comma, go here, comma, try this, period. This is fabric, comma, right? This is ... I mean ... That feels typed out, and that feels like something I would say. I play Minecraft. I might have been talking about... That was probably yesterday. That was probably yesterday. I was playing with my friend on Minecraft, and I was talking about, is this fabric... Right. I was talking about Minecraft. It's very vague. It seems very jumbled. I don't think this is exactly what I said, but I did reference Minecraft fabric. I was messing with mods. We talked about that a little bit. I got that on video. It will be uploaded at some point after this one. This one will be up right away because I want this uploaded right away. But I think that one might be from me. And then ChatGPT gave a boring response. Next input, Maiwa, comma, sit down, period. Put the camera down, period. Maiwa, comma, sit down, period. I don't know what that is. I don't know what the fuck that means. I don't know what that input is. ChatGPT said, sounds like you're quoting or referencing something. What's that from? Yeah, see, like, they're not giving anything useful, but I don't know what these inputs are. This is definitely from me. Blueberry muffin, comma, thank you for watching. Exclamation point. See, that's from me. Blueberry muffin is like my thing. I use that as my Minecraft mod titles, my profile mod titles or whatever. I do Blueberry Muffin FXD, stuff like that. That's just what I do. It's just a weird thing I do, right? And that's definitely from me. I didn't type that into ChatGPT. It shouldn't be remembering that. This is concerning. Next input, multiplayer, comma, proceed, comma, add server, comma, Minecraft. That's also from me. I was probably repeating. I can show you. I just open up Java really quick. Hold on. I can probably like remember and quote back to what I was doing at that moment and saying, not to ChatGPT. Hold on. Let's just open up Minecraft really quick. Go to gameplay. I was probably going... Did I open... Why Go to Java Edition. Okay. Let it load. Oh, it's got to update or some shit. I don't know. I should have just opened up a mod profile, I guess. I'm doing it through the actual browser, I think. The fuck I know. Actually, let's do that. It'll probably work faster. See, if you want to see my profile, Blueberry Muffin XD, Blueberry Muffin, Blueberry Muffin XD, Blueberry Ninja, Blue Ninja's Muffin. I just do random names. That's what I do. All right. Open. Please, for the love of fuck. If you can't tell, I'm really annoyed about how everything has to be complicated. It's loading up. Yin. Not odd, just concerning. So, like, for instance, so what I was doing, to go back to what I'm quoting, multiplayer, proceed, add server, Minecraft. I went multiplayer. It probably brought up, like, a prompt. I think it did that, because I just made the profile, right? So it has to bring up, oh, multiplayer servers will be complicated. Be careful. And then I click proceed. So multiplayer, proceed. I clicked add server. And then I probably read this, to be fair. I don't know what the Minecraft is. That could be anything. But this is definitely from me. I didn't type it in ChatGPT. It just recorded it. It recorded my voice. I don't like that. That makes me uncomfortable. And it's probably doing that in general. I'm actually I'm concerned right now. I don't like that. That does not sit right with me. But that's definitely what it did. Anyway, go back to Facecam for a moment. Now, Yin, ChatGPT, you know the thing that I use? It's AI. It's been recording stuff that I've been saying without me knowing, and it glitched and is showing me right now. And it's also showing me other people's, like, prompts and stuff, too. It's, like, completely bugged. Also, Blue Zone Man. Yeah, cool. Thanks, Ella. Alright, I am so confused. Alright, next prompt. I cannot hear you again, comma, what did you do? Question mark. Again, period, what? Question mark. Okay. Next prompt. You're joking. Period. Come on, comma, Ian, comma, you're joking. Who's Ian? I don't know who Ian is. Next prompt. If you have any questions or comments, comma, please post them in the Q&A box, period. I don't know what that's from. New language. So it's showing me a new language now. Entirely tech. I can't read this. I don't know what it says. It looks like drawings to me. It doesn't even, like, it's not even like Spanish. It's like a whole, like, Asian language, right? So I don't know what it says. Let me translate this again. Hold on. Send a pic, I can probably tell what the language is. Well, I can just post it. If you can read that. Let me put it in translate. Okay, please remember this. Like, it's like random YouTuber prompts in another language. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share to support the Mingjing and Diandian programs.
Something.
I don't know what that is. That comes back later again. Haha, it sounds like a closing call, which ChatGPT just responds with that language, so I translated it too, but it's something important. I don't get it, dude. Anyway, go back to it. Next prompt. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Next prompt. Actually, comma, don't, period. I don't know what that is. Next prompt. This transcript contains references to ChatGPT, OpenAI, and they're like repeat. It just says a bunch of jumbo. I don't know what that is. The next prompt is actually hilarious because I don't know what it's from. It's what the F you and then dash. Like it's cussing. That could be me. I mean, maybe. I don't know. There could be anybody else. I'm...
Yeah, it might be Mandarin. That's what I was thinking.
But, anyway. Next prompt. I'm sorry for the delay, but she's asleep. Comma, I think, period, not for sure, period, okay, comma, well, ... I don't know what that input is. Next prompt. Okay, we got another language here. I'm just gonna translate the freaking input, because ChatGPT is not giving anything useful, because it's not, like, having memory here. It's just kind of taking inputs. That is the most ominous message ever. I translated it, and it says, please join us, period. Whatever. Well, okay, actually, no, I gotta know what ChatGPT said. Hold on.
That might have been from last night.
That might have been, but why is it in a different language? Of course, go ahead. What should I participate in? Is it, again, the project? Okay, yeah. ChatGPT gave a boring response. Please join us. I don't know what that's from. It's in a different language. I'll show you. I'll show you what it looks like. Here, let me pull this up. Let me pull this up. New tab, open. Close that. Open this. Go to the game view for a second. This here, if you look at up here, this is what it says. Just a random prompt. I don't speak that language. I didn't type that in. I don't know where it came from at all. Anyway, right? That's what it looks like. Just to like let you know. Just a random gibberish.
We can't see it.
Okay. I'm sorry. No, I was referring to the video. I can type it for you.
Yeah. Weird.
I'm sorry. No worries at all. What's on your mind? Where's the wooden one at? Question mark. There. I can't see it. Exclamation point. What the fuck are you on about? Question mark. There. Exclamation point. You are a shit bastard. I don't know what that input is. I don't know what that input is at all. I don't know. I have no idea. That's weird. It's funny. I've never heard shit bastard ever said before, but alright. I'm not gonna bother not cussing. This is not a joke video. This is serious. I'm very uncomfortable. I might, like, actually have a, like, case here. Like, and probably not. That's what I'm thinking. I feel violated. This feels gross. And it gets worse. Anyway. Next input, hey, or, next input, sorry. Okay, comma, yeah, period, that's strange, period. Next input, I don't know if you can hear me or not, comma, but it's pretty cool. Next input, so, comma, bye then, period, see you around. This might be me. Maybe this is after I said bye to my friend. Maybe? Next input. I hope you enjoyed this video, comma, and I'll see you in the next one, period. I know I said goodbye to the video after I said bye to my friend. This makes sense. Maybe it recorded this for me. I don't know why exactly, though. It feels gross. It's supposed to be a little joke, comma, but I see a bunch of things in it, comma, so it's really strange to me, period. Next input. This is interesting. Next input. I don't see it. I'm not going to do it again, comma, but I don't know, period. The video is not that much. Period. Alright, comma, we're going to leave really quick again, comma, so the settings, comma, change, comma, go here, comma, we'll go to ... 358, comma, change, period. Also, Yin, at some point, it does get to, like, conversations we've had or so on. If you remember anything, if I read from, like, last night, because I know it definitely gets to stuff that I said last night, but also, if you catch anything, like, sooner on than whenever it's obvious, let me know. I don't really remember, like, too much. Like, this is very concerning, though. Just That's just a tip, though. Period. And that's about it, period. Thanks for watching, period. I hope you enjoyed this video, period. If you did, comma, please leave a like and subscribe, period. And if you want to watch more of my videos, comma, click on that little bell icon next to it, period. And I'll see you in the next video. For more, comma, you don't have to be a spy, period. I don't know what that entails. I feel like ChatGPT is a spy, though. I feel very violated right now. I'm very uncomfortable. Also, comma, don't mute Rhyme because he's so freaking loud, comma, oh, holy shit, period. See you guys later, comma, bye, period. This is gonna be short, comma, we should all, like, group together and do that, period. Next input. If you have any questions, comma, feel free to contact me at chatgpt.com. I don't know what that input is. That feels like an input ChatGPT itself would say or something. Or like a user. I don't understand that one. That one's weird. That one really throws me off. It doesn't even feel like anybody would ever say that. Other than like someone who works at ChatGPT using ChatGPT. Like that feels like a response ChatGPT should be giving. I don't know. Next one. I like that, comma, that's funny, period. It's too bright, comma. Okay, comma, that's okay. Comma, or period. No, sorry. I've been saying comma, but these have been periods. These are just random one-off prompts. Like, I like that, comma, that's funny, period. Next prompt, it's too bright, period. Next prompt, okay, period. Next prompt, okay. That's okay, period. Next prompt. The next prompt, I actually don't even know if I can say on, video. I don't really want to. It's not, like, technically bad, but at the same time, it's really strange. It's the F word, children. Not that alone isn't like the worst thing in the world, but it's really weird. With a period. Next prompt. I'm going to go full on Anakin Skywalker on all of them, period. See, that might have been me. I might have made like an Anakin Skywalker joke. I wouldn't have just said that like at the start. It's definitely like shortening things and jumbling things up. That might have been a joke I said. And or it's somebody else's prompt, because again, it's having random languages in here. So I don't know. I don't know. Anyway. Next prompt. I hope you enjoyed this video, comma, and I'll see you in the next one, period. I am trying not to, period. If you want to give in to your own creations, comma, yeah, exclamation point. Next input. I have something for you, period. Next input. Okay, she is the absolute ... Next input. It's a cat, exclamation point. Next input. Super cats, exclamation point. Next input. I'm here for ChatGPT, period. Next input. Free chat, comma, that's for sure, period. Note, like, equal sign, notes, equal sign. I don't know what that is. That feels like pasted in, like it was said. Like somebody typed that in, I didn't. Just putting that out there. Just like giving the full info here. Next input. I think I'm playing some combat initiation, period. Anyway, comma, do you want me to say something? Question mark. Comma, what is it? Question mark. That is from last night. That is from last night. Me and Yin. I think we could find that chat message if I scrolled up. I think... Wow, he had to leave. Arbiter, that's crazy. You could have just muted me, man. I'm pretty sure I can find that chat message in here. But I could probably find it in here if I like looked hard enough. I could probably find that message. Like genuinely. I probably have that, like I read that. Yin said it last night. She was saying, "I'm going to play this." And I was like, "Hey, I'll join you." Sounds cool. Next prompt. I hope you enjoyed it. Period. Thanks for watching. Period. I don't know what that's from. This seems like a hard way to play it. Period. I'll join you in a second, period. Okay, comma, I think someone just restored out of the problem, period. Thanks, period, slash out, period. That's the end, period. All of these are different prompts, by the way. Sorry. Saying next prompt is kind of annoying. Next prompt. For example, comma, let's go to game signs, comma, Unity, comma, or Facebook, comma, game icon, comma, and download this save, period. Does this work now or no? Question mark. I don't know what that's from. I don't know what that's from. The next prompt is ciao, exclamation point. I don't say ciao. Also, who's saying ciao to ChatGPT? Just letting you know. I don't care, just call me when you're done. I need to think of my next plan for what I'm doing. Okay, fair enough. Next prompt. I can't tell you anymore, period. Next prompt. When my service runs out, I'll be with game link, comma, I guess, period. Make sure to tune on private servers, comma, you should be able to do that, comma, alright, question mark. That was probably from last night, because we've already established we were playing combat initiation, right? Before we did that, before we joined, we were like, hey, are we doing a private server? I think, from what I remember, we did that. That was a thing that we did. If I'm not mistaken. I didn't record it as a video, but it would be really good for evidence right now. Next input. Okay, period. Next input. So why do games have to have the crazy accounts instead of the controls, question mark? It did not hear me right, but that is probably from me. I was probably talking about the Xbox controls. I think I remember the line that I said, and it picked it up wrong. I was talking about why do games have to mess with the controls with the camera and so on? Because a lot of the games now, whenever you use the camera, it goes wee it doesn't use camera sensitivity at all. It's just to the max for no reason. It's so weird to me because Roblox by default has camera sensitivity controls for controllers, so you have to intentionally break it. I don't know why you would do that. It's stupid development in my part, but whatever. And to me, I don't know. Next input. Oh, comma, shoot, period. Next input. I hope you enjoyed this video, comma, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one, period. I don't know what these are for because it keeps giving me outros, and I didn't record any videos last night. We've already established when it started recording. From that point forward, I didn't do an outro. I didn't record anything. I don't think I have. Next input is the really long one. I'm not reading this. In short, it's a really long one. It's a really long one. Hold on, let me actually send this to my friend as well. Alright, I'm getting EP. Good night, y'all. Okay, good night, Portal. Expand? What the fuck? You too, take care. Have a good one. Just as you promised, right? What? It's strange. I don't need... Okay, hold on. That's not what I wanted to send. I copied the right thing. I don't know why it's being weird. Oh, wait. I can just copy text. Okay, wait. Okay. This is one of the prompts randomly sent. It's humpy. Yeah, I'm not reading it. In short, it's talking about personal stuff with my friend that I was reading because we were talking about it last night. I wasn't recording. It was conversation, and it's very jumbled, very messy, and it shouldn't have been recording because I wasn't typing it in. I didn't authorize for it to record things. It should not be recording this. If it is listening, it should not be writing it down. And it did. It sent it to itself as a prompt. That is not okay. That is uncomfortable. I am concerned. I feel this is the biggest message. I don't want to send... I don't want to... Actually, hold on, I'm gonna ask my friend. No, and I don't need to read it. I don't need to read it. This is already enough. It's a really long message. Like a really long message, and it's talking about me talking with my friend. She's having personal stuff. She's a girl. That's simple. She's talking about that stuff. I remember specifically it's last night. It's like a very long list of stuff that was said last night. Me reading her messages and me just saying mine because she doesn't like talk, right? It's very obvious from last night that I did not type in or record or give authorization to record. It should not have this. It should not have it as a prompt. I'm grossed out. Like, I'm very uncomfortable. Yin, check our DMs, by the way. If you're there. I sent you it so you, like, know what it was. I'm not thinking anything of it. This is the next prompt, because I think we can move on. I'm not thinking anything of it yet, comma, but I will have to, comma, I hate it so much, period. Okay. Next prompt, have a good one, period. Next prompt, just as you have promised, period. Next prompt, it's strange, I don't need a blue eye, period. I only got a tear in my eye, period. I wish you the best, period. I'll also say this isn't a hidden key to getting me panned out, period. It's annoying and painful, period. I'm so sorry, period. I will bet the animal that you're a spy, period. I don't know what that message is. I mean, I'm not that urgent, period. So as Ryan failed, I'm the first to disappear from underneath, comma, and if I'm in any firewall, comma, I'm never getting a badge, period, ain't, period. Okay. This is a video on ChatGPT, comma, OpenAI, comma, Dolly, comma, ChatGPT 4. Next prompt, if you're going to take it, period, so you're questioning how, dash. Next prompt, because you're 3 years old, period, wait, comma, no, comma, that doesn't make sense, period, 1, period, like, comma, 1 years old, question mark. I don't know what this gibberish is. I don't even know, like, the only thing I can think of is ChatGPT is recording audio to, like, filter into its, like, AI thing to learn languages and, like, learn how to speak and so on. Maybe, if that's it at all in any way, it's not even, like, getting good audio. This is gibberish. I don't know what the fuck this shit is. I'm pissed off now. Here's a video of me. Next prompt. It's in another language. Let's translate it. I'll put it in chat for those of you curious as to what it says or whatever or whatnot. I don't know what that is. Let's translate it. Please do not hesitate to like, subscribe, share, and support the Ming, Jing, and Dandian programs. What is that? I said that would come back again. Again, it's in another language. This feels like it's somebody else specifically is prompt or something. Really weird. Next prompt. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Comma. Or not comma, period. Okay. It responded in Chinese. I'm not going to translate it because it's probably just some stupid prompt. Next prompt and the last one is P.S. That's it. That's all I have. This was a weird experience. I went to ChatGPT to use it because I went back to my game to develop more. And this is what I see. And at first I was like, this is weird. It's giving me other people's prompts. That's strange. Right? Because I'm like, okay, well, like, it prompts, it has to, like, take in information, right? Like, okay, it remembers the prompts, it searches them, it probably stores them. That's already weird. Kind of strange that it's showing me them, right? Which it's definitely doing that in some capacity. But also, it has messages and things that I've said that I did not type or say into ChatGPT. And that's uncomfortable to me. That infuriates me. I'm very, very upset with that. Like, I know things do that, but, like, I have genuine proof here. Like, it shouldn't be doing that. It shouldn't be sending that. It shouldn't be storing that. I am so uncomfortable right now. Oh my god! The gross! Gross! I don't know what this video is. This has been 34 minutes, about 35 now. I'm gonna upload this like right away, and then probably share this like a lot. I'm like genuinely uncomfortable here. I don't understand how this happened, what happened, but I know it's 100% recording audio. Things I said. Did not want ChatGPT to pick it up or store it. That's not okay. So that's happening. That's something. I don't trust ChatGPT as much. It's useful for scripting. I'll still use it, but I'm very uncomfortable right now. And I will probably be like closing it more. I leave the tab open, but it should not be recording things with the tab open. That's not how that works. So also it's like not just storing it, it's like sending it to itself as a prompt. Is that how it stores its data? Like in the background? That's so gross. Let me check that one where it like splits off into another prompt really quick. Maybe like it does it secretly through whenever you switch to other things. Hold on. Go here. Let's go to version 2. This one works properly. I don't know. ChatGPT has been listening to me. That does not feel good. I am very uncomfortable right now. I'm ending this video here. This is not some joke. I'm very uncomfortable, and I want people to know about this. Ew. I feel repulsed right now, so. Privacy in 2025. It exists. Trust me, bro.